Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to change your name on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So it's pretty easy to change your name on Facebook, so let's get on with it. You can click on the three line which is at the top right corner right below the messenger icon. Click on it and scroll down until you see setting and privacy and click on setting and privacy. And once you're in setting and privacy, you can click on setting. And on setting, as you guys can see, personal information at the top. Click on personal information, and as you guys can see over here, you can see name. Right now my name is Richie Kevin. Just click on name. So let's suppose I want to change my name over here. Now I can change it. Now remember, once you change your name, you cannot change your name again for 60 days. That's the Facebook rule. So if you're trying to change your name, remember that you cannot change it again for 60 days. And after writing your new name over here, your new middle name, your new last name, you can just click on review change and your name will be changed. So it's basically that. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.